How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section home that we have on display here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this week, I'm bringing to you the Athens Park Home 1662C. Park Homes has just released a diamond series, and guys, once we walk inside this home, you're going to see that this home is shining like a brand new diamond. And this is the 1662C that you're looking at today, and it is packed with standard features. There are only 3 to 4 upgrades in the whole home. Everything else comes standard, and it starts right here on the 6-foot front porch that comes standard with this home. We have the exterior siding right here as well that is going to be smart panel, that is standard. We have the metal accents that we've actually taken from the standard metal roof and we've added onto the inside of the porch, and also the accents on each side. And guys, I know I gotta point it out that I like to color coordinate, because you can see with this white and blue, that's just how we do here at Recreational Resort Cottage. I want to make you realize that this home is the home that you need to have. And if you're looking for a single section that is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, this is the one to do it in. And you guys follow me right inside, and you'll see here that the 1662C is all you need to see when it comes to single section homes. You can see right here, look at the interior space of this home. You've got the 3 picture windows to one side. You've got the 3 transom windows up above. You've got unique features like the real wood box beam running down the center of the home. You've got the transom windows over to the side. You've already got the floating guys. I feel like Chris Angel mind freak, because this thing is not on the ground, floating on the wall. Entertainment center, guys. You can put your TV right there so easily. You got space over here in the corner. Don't forget about the corner. You know, you can sit there and throw something over there that you like. Guys, look at all this character in this home. Oh, and did I forget to tell you that the 1662C is just as you see it for $66,000. So you guys soak that in as I walk through this home. And you can see right here, there's nice features that we've done. A nice bump out here to add a little bit of separation from the living room to the dining room, but to still keep it as an open concept. And you can see here, we refurbished these pipes here. This is actually the piping that we use if you choose to go with gas in the home. We'll use these pipings, but we said, why not refurbish it, add unique features to this home? And we've done it right here with these shelves. You guys come in and look, a dining table in a single section home? And what, you know, it's hard to find space in a single section. Guys, remember, this is a 16-foot wide. This has a load of space in here for you to accommodate everything that you need to, guys. And you can see we've got the side door here that you can come in ever so nice. If you wanted to do a wraparound porch, anything like that on site, you can definitely do that and accommodate it here with this side door. All this additional storage space. You can see you got little cubbies down below. We've got cabinets. You got the 6-door pantry. You got the floating shelves right here. You've got little Men in Black little bug lights right here. That's just flex lights. You can move it everywhere you like, so you can sit there and display something ever so nicely like we've done here. And then you flow right over to the kitchen, and you'll see you got the wraparound countertop here. We've trimmed out the top of the cabinets with the unique wood, and we've even kept that going right there in the center, going up from your venter hood. You can see we've got the backsplash going from countertop to cabinet standard. Keep that in mind. Keep that going. We've got the black appliances. We've got cool features. Where's your trash can gonna go? Right there. Put it in there. Let it float right on back, guys. This is awesome features in this home. We've got the side-by-side refrigerator. You got plenty of space on both sides. And what we got? Even more storage right here to the right of it. Plenty of space. You've got your space for your stackable washing machine and dryer tucked off right here to the side. And then you've got your first bedroom right here. This works great for guests. This could be a great option for an office. You can see you got enough space there. And then you even got a little walk-in closet. And as you can see, we ain't lying to you. You can walk in, you walk right out, and you're good to go. Close that right back. And guys, look right here. What is this? You think it's gonna be where the central cooling area is? You think this is where the furnace is gonna be? Not. Even more storage space, guys. Even more storage space you got in there. Look at that. We thought ahead, but guess what? When we think ahead ever so nicely. Do you got kids? You might. Hey, or you might work from home. Hey, there you go. Got the desk built in right there. Got your window up above, so when you're spacing out and not doing your work, you can look right outside and daydream for a little bit. But again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So what we've done here is made this 1 bath so functional. This is so awesome, guys. And I'm gonna just walk this way. Hope you can follow me. Because we got the rolling glass door shower. You can see them wheels rolling. Looks like, ooh, that is awesome right there. You got the vintage lace tile shower right here as well. You got the rain shower head. You know I love my rain shower heads. And guys, look at all this space that you got. But what's so great about it is since this is a 1 bath, you can have the guests, anybody coming over visiting, they can come in and use the restroom, do whatever they need to do, but it is en suite to your master. So you can actually close this door off if you would like, so they cannot access your room when they're going to the restroom. And as you can see here, look at this. Look at all this space right here. We've even got a bump out right here that your bed can go in. So lovely right here, already done for you. We've got the transom windows up above, bringing in that natural light just like we like to here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And boom, we've got your side-by-side barn doors right here for you in your closet. And you can see you got plenty of space. For all my people that want to go tiny, but you don't want to go all the way tiny, this is the next option in the Diamond Series single sections. You can see, just follow me on. Look, guys, we keep going. We keep going around. You got plenty of space in here to accommodate everything that you need. You guys follow me back through, and you'll see right here that this 1662 is the home for you. And I am not playing when it comes to this, guys. Look at how much space you're getting in a single section home. This is how you're going to do it right here in this home. Look at this. Opens up. You got the 612 vaulted ceilings from front to back of this home. That is features right there that is so great, so lovely. Look, you're ready to entertain. You're ready to entertain with all of this, guys. Even accents that you may not have caught the first time. Look, we went ahead and brought the metal from the outdoors indoors. That's industrial farmhouse styling that you're going to get here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and you're going to get it in the 1662C. Remember that this is on display at Recreational Resort Cottages for sale at $66,000. You can't beat it, guys. This is where you're going to get it at. And I want to thank you for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I do want to give a shout out to one of my fans out there that gave me this shirt. They sent the shirt right to the office for me. So guess what? I just want to show some love back to you and let you know, hey, that I appreciate it. I definitely do appreciate everything. I keep ahead with all the subscribers. I keep up with all the comments, and I want to thank you for all the love that we're getting. We're on the way to 100K, guys. We're going to get there one day, and I'm ready for it. So remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.